Hey, family. Welcome to Scriptures Remixed. We're breaking down the Bible to build up faith. Today, we're diving into the very beginning. Genesis 1:1 to 31 and Genesis 2:1 to 3. Let's talk about how it all started when God made the heavens, the earth, and everything in between. Buckle up. It's time for some real talk with a heavenly vibe. All right, now let me remix this for you in a way that hits home. So check it. Before there was anything, it was straight up chaos, darkness everywhere, no vibe, no structure, nothing. But then God was like, let there be light. And bam, light showed up and flipped the whole script. Day and night pulled up, and that was day one. Next, God was like, we need some space out here. So he set up the sky, keeping everything in its lane. Heaven, done. Day two, handled. Then he looked at the waters and lands and said, y'all need some boundaries. And the seas and earth appeared. God added plants, trees, and every green thing you can think of. And he said, this is looking good. That was day three. Now for the vibe check. He made the sun to clock in for the day, the moon for the night shift, and stars for extra shine. I was like, yep, we're on point. Day four, finished. Next, he filled the oceans with fish and let birds take over the sky. God looked at all the life and said, y'all are blessed, now go multiply. That wrapped up day five. Day six, though, that's when God said, let's make humans. Let's make them in my image. So he made man and woman and gave them the keys to everything he created. Then he took a step back, saw it all, and said, now, this is very good. Finally, on day seven, God was like, I'm done. Let me chill. He blessed that day, made it holy, and called it a wrap. So what's this story really about? Let's break it down. First, it's about God stepping into a chaotic situation and creating order. He didn't rush it. He worked step by step, building something incredible over time. That's a reminder for us. Progress doesn't have to be instant. It's also about the balance between work and rest. God worked hard for 6 days, but on the seventh day, he stopped and blessed the rest. That shows us that taking time to breathe, reflect, and recharge is not just okay, it's necessary. Lastly, it's about value. Every single thing God made, he called good. And when he made humanity, he said it was very good. That's a powerful message for us. No matter what anyone else says or what struggles we face, we were created with care, love, and purpose. From the very beginning, you've been seen as very good. That's major. All right, now let's talk about what this means for you right now. First, maybe your life feels messy, like there's no structure or direction. Maybe it's dark and you're not sure how to move forward, but if God could take chaos and turn it into a masterpiece, don't you think he can do the same with your life? It's a process, step by step, but God's not finished with you yet. Second, let's talk about rest. In today's hustle culture, we feel guilty for taking a break. But look at God. He rested, and he didn't apologize for it. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is step back, reflect, and let yourself recover. Rest isn't lazy, it's holy. And finally, let's talk about identity. This world might try to make you feel like you don't matter, like you're not good enough. But Genesis reminds us that you were created in the image of God with intention and purpose. You are not an accident, you are a masterpiece. The same God who hung the stars in the sky thought the world needed you. So whatever you're going through, know this. God sees you, he values you, and he's got big plans for you. So when life feels like it's formless and void, remember, God can bring light into any dark situation. You are made with love, intention, and purpose. Keep shining because you're a reflection of the Creator. Until next time, family, stay blessed, stay encouraged, and remember, we're breaking down the Bible to build up faith.